Chapter 8. More on MS Word. A word processor is a software that helps a user to type text on a computer. There are many word processing software. Some of them are WordPad, WordStar and MS Word. Using a word processor, you can edit the whole document or a part of it. Count the number of words, lines and characters in the document. Divide text into columns. Set the left, right, top and bottom margins of the page. Correct the spelling errors. Choose a font, type and size and color of the text as per your requirement. Save a document for future use. Open it and make changes whenever required. Insert drawings / pictures into your document to make it attractive. Print a part or whole of your document. In this chapter, you will learn about Microsoft Word 2019. Chapter 8. Starting MS Word. You can easily start MS Word on your computer. The steps are as follows. Double-click on the icon of MS Word on the desktop. Or Step 1. Click on Search box on the taskbar. Step 2. Type Word. Step 3. Click on the Word option displayed in the search results. The MS Word window opens up for you to work. Observe different components of the Word window to understand its working environment. Title bar. It is located on top of the MS Word window. It displays the name of the document you are working on. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar provides you with access to commands you frequently use. By default, Save, Undo and Redo appear on the Quick Access Toolbar. You can also customize the Quick Access Toolbar by checking or unchecking the items in the Customize Quick Access Toolbar dialog box. Ribbon. The ribbon is the panel at the top of the Word 2007 workspace below the Quick Access Toolbar. You use the ribbon to give instructions. The ribbon has several tabs including Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View and Help. Clicking a tab displays several related command groups. Within each group are related command buttons that you will use to perform various operations while you are creating a document. Tabs. Tabs are designed for specific tasks. Each of the tabs contains groups. For example, the Home tab contains clipboard, fonts, paragraph, styles and editing. Rulers. The rulers display the left and right margins, tab setting and vertical alignment of the text. These rulers are on two sides of the window. Text/document area. Just below the ruler is a large area called the text area. You type your text or content in the text area. The blinking vertical line in the upper left corner of the text area is the cursor or the insertion point. As you type, your text displays at the cursor location. The horizontal line next to the cursor marks the end of the document. Status bar. It displays the information such as page number of words, different views and zoom option. Scroll bars. The part of the page which is not visible or does not fit on the current screen can be seen using these scroll bars by moving them left/right or up/down as required. The vertical and horizontal scroll bars. The vertical and horizontal scroll bars allow you to move up, down and across your window by dragging the icon located on the scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar is located along the right side of the screen. By clicking it and dragging it up and down, you can move through your document. Window control buttons. To the right of the title bar, you will see these three buttons. They are used to adjust the size of the window or to close it. Remember, there are various versions of MS Word like MS Word 98, MS Word 2000, MS Word 2003, etc. The latest is MS Word 2019. Start. Creating a document. When you first start MS Word, it opens up with a new blank document named Document 1. To create another new document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File tab. Step 2. Click New. The new document pane appears. Step 3. Click on Blank Document option. MS Word creates another new document named Document 2. Creating a document. Typing in the document. In MS Word, we make documents by typing. The insertion point, example, a blinking vertical bar indicates where the text appears in the document when you type the text. The text you type is displayed on the screen. As you type the text and when the text reaches the end of a line, Word automatically moves the text to the second line and continues. This feature of MS Word is called Word Wrap. Press Enter only when you need to change a paragraph and not after every line. Let's open MS Word and type the following text. Every school is special in its own way, and same is with my school as well. It offers magic in the form of experiments in laboratories, sports in the field, creativity in the art room and more. Schools are a place where we get to make friends, learn new things and grow every day. In fact, it is so hard to imagine a world without schools. They are the first place where we learn about life and many other things. Similarly, my school plays the same role in my life. While typing text, you use the space bar, enter, delete and backspace keys frequently to make any correction in the document. Creating a new document using a template. A template is a pre-designed document that you can use to quickly create documents. Template creates a document which is more professional and visually appealing. To insert a template, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File tab to access Backstage View. Then select New. Step 2. Several templates will appear below the blank document option. You can also use the search bar to find something more specific. In our example, we will search for a card template. Step 3. When you find something you like, select a template to preview it. Step 4. A preview of the template will appear. Click Create to use the selected template. A new document will appear with the selected template. You can make changes in it as per your need. A sample is shown on the next page. Saving a document. When you have finished typing in your document, save it in the computer for future use. Follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File tab to access Backstage View, or locate and select the Save command on the Quick Access toolbar. Step 2. Click Save. Step 3. Choose where to save the file and give it a file name. To select a location on your computer, click Browse. Step 4. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location where you want to save the document. Enter a file name for the document. Step 5. Click Save. Word automatically adds an extension which is .docx to your file name. If no name is given for saving a file, MS Word will save your file with a default name which is document 1. Saving a document. When you have finished opening an existing document. To open any saved document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File tab to access Backstage View. Step 2. Click Open. The Open dialog box will appear. Step 3. Locate the file. Now click on Open button. Your document will open up. Remember, press Ctrl+O on the keyboard to open an existing document. Opening an existing Closing MS Word. There are two methods to close a document in MS Word. Step 1. Click the File tab to access Backstage View. Step 2. Click Close, or click on Close button located at the top right corner of MS Word window. Word closes down the document you have worked on only if you have saved all the changes in your document. If you haven't saved the changes in your document, MS Word will display a message box. This message box has three options: button, use of button, save. If you want to save the changes you have made, click the Save button. Don't save. Click the Don't Save button to close the document without saving it. Cancel. Click the Cancel button if you don't allow MS Word not to close down and continues to work. Close. Working with a document. In MS Word, most of the work is related to the text. It is done in two steps. Step 1. Selecting the text, and Step 2. Applying the desired changes. The text is selected to highlight the portions that have to be edited in a document. When we select the text, it gets highlighted with a dark colored strip over it. The text can be selected by using a mouse or a keyboard. Working with a selecting text using a mouse. Some of the ways in which you can select various portions of the text using a mouse are shown here. Portions of text. Steps to follow. A block of text. Drag the mouse over the text. A word. Double-click the word. A line of text. Move the pointer to the left of the line. When the pointer shape changes to that of a right pointing arrow, click it. A paragraph. Triple-click anywhere in the paragraph. Entire document. Move the pointer to the left of any document text. When the cursor shape changes to a right pointing arrow, triple-click it. The selected text appears highlighted. Selecting text using a keyboard. Some of the key combinations that you can use to select portions of the text using a keyboard are key combinations, portions of the text selected, Shift plus right arrow, one character to the right, Shift plus left arrow, one character to the left, Shift plus home, text from the current position to the beginning of a line, Shift plus end, text from current position to the end of a line, Control plus A, the entire document text. Selecting. More on selecting text using a mouse. To select text using a mouse. Step 1. Position the cursor to the left of the first character to be selected. Step 2. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the end point of selection. Step 3. Release the mouse button. Step 4. The selected text gets highlighted. More. Adding new text. The insertion point is the blinking vertical line in your document. It indicates where you can enter text on the page. You can insert new text at this point in your existing document. Simply start typing. The new text is inserted and the existing text is shifted towards the right. Adding new text. Selecting text using a mouse. Some of the ways in which you can select various portions of the text using a mouse are shown here. Portions of text. Steps to follow. A block of text. Drag the mouse over the text. A word. Double-click the word. A line of text. Move the pointer to the left of the line. When the pointer shape changes to that of a right pointing arrow, click it. A paragraph. Triple-click anywhere in the paragraph. Entire document. Move the pointer to the left of any document text. When the cursor shape changes to a right pointing arrow, triple-click it. The selected text appears highlighted. Selecting text using a mouse. Some of the ways in which you can select various portions of the text. Selecting text using a keyboard. Some of the key combinations that you can use to select portions of the text using a keyboard are key combinations, portions of the text selected, Shift plus right arrow, one character to the right, Shift plus left arrow, one character to the left, Shift plus home. Text from the current position to the beginning of a line. Shift plus end. Text from current position to the end of a line. Control plus A. The entire document text. Selecting text. Adding new text. The insertion point is the blinking vertical line in your document. It indicates where you can enter text on the page. You can insert new text at this point in your existing document. Simply start typing. The new text is inserted and the existing text is shifted towards the right. Adding new text. The insertion point is the blinking word. Deleting text. There are several ways to delete or remove text. To delete text to the left of the insertion point, press the backspace key on your keyboard. To delete text to the right of the insertion point, press the delete key on your keyboard. Select the text you want to remove. Then press the delete key. Deleting text. Undo command. Undo command is used to reverse the last action performed. On the quick access toolbar, click the undo button. If the undo button is dimmed, there are no actions that can be reversed. Remember, to undo your last action, press Ctrl plus Z. To redo typing, press Ctrl plus Y. Undo command. Redo command. Redo command is used to reverse the undo command. Using redo, you can redo the last action or a series of actions. On the quick access toolbar, click the redo button. Redo command. Redo command is used to reverse the undo command. Using redo command. Printing a document. To print a document, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File tab and then click the Print option in the Backstage view that appears. The various printing related options and the preview of the document are displayed. In the Copies box, enter the number of copies to be printed. In the Printer selection, select the desired printer. In the Settings section, click the first drop-down list box and select the desired option. Printing. Sum up. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is useful for typing and storing letters, articles and anything that contains mainly words. With MS Word, you can create, edit, correct and update, save and print text documents like letters, articles and assignments. MS Word window has the following main components: Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Command Ribbon, Ruler, Work Area and Scroll Bars. When you first start MS Word, it opens up with a new blank document named Document 1. After working on a document, you save it in the computer for future use. Doing some changes in a document to make it look attractive, correct and easy to understand for readers is called editing. Before making any changes in the text of a document, we have to select it. Sum up.